Well, I had been here this evening to be present and to enjoy the photographic session of very eminent wildlife photographer Puskar Basu. To me, he is not an unknown name, but this is the first time I met him, and I felt the entire session was enchanting, engulfing, and it was superb and mind-blowing. Being a teacher of natural science, I myself sat before him like a very mesmerized student. What is very important is that Puskar spoke to the audience, whom I noted mostly amateurs, with so much of ease, so much of calmness, and so much of very simple words which made it very valuable. It's very easy to fill up one session with scientific terminologies, hard words and sentences, which often flies over the heads of the listeners. But for Puskar, it was very different. What he said, he spoke from his heart. He spoke with the very simple language of a commoner, and he developed a sense of keenness, interest, and passion in the minds of those who were present here. I understood from this session that it would not be difficult for our beginners to have a basic knowledge of wildlife photography, provided we have more teachers as Puskar Basu. I feel that this evening will be very memorable. Obviously, it will be to me, but also to all who had been present over here. And I must thank the organizers, the photographic school which organized this, and obviously to Puskar for his time. He's such a busy man, but still he has come and he has given a beautiful time from afternoon till evening. And I wish it all the best to Puskar and to this photographic school for taking such sort of missions to enlighten the young hearts who needs more and more learning as we tread ahead. Thank you so much.